Okay, welcome to 10-6, and this time we are working with spheres. We are going to learn the formula for finding the volume of a sphere and the surface area of a sphere. Let's start with the volume. The volume, everything that's inside the sphere, the equation is volume equals 4/3 times pi times your radius cubed. Okay, 4/3 times pi times your radius cubed. So let's apply it to an example. Find the volume if the radius of a sphere is 9 feet. So I already wrote the equation down for us. Volume equals 4/3, you leave it, pi, leave it. Oh, this is wrong, not a 2. 3. Times r, which is 9, radius, 9 cubed. Order of operations, you must do your exponent first. 4/3 times pi times 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81 times another 9, 729. Now I'm going to leave pi as pi, so I need to combine my 729 with my 4/3. Let's make some space. 729, it might be divisible by 3, so let's check. So the rule for 3 would be to add up all the digits. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus another 9 is 18. 3 does go into 18, so let's divide 729 by 3, and we get, okay, so that gives us a 3 with 729 gave us 243, and I still have to multiply it by that number 4. So let me erase this again. 243 times 4 gives us 972. So my volume is 972 pi, and we're in feet, so feet cubed. For right now, let's leave pi as pi. Let's not worry about multiplying it out with 3.14. Alright, let's find the surface area now. The surface area of a sphere has a different formula, okay? And this one is almost the same though. You might notice a similarity between them. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Okay, 4 times pi times r squared. So let's find the surface area for this sphere. Surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Surface area equals 4 times pi times my radius, which is 4 squared. Surface area, okay, so now we have 4 times pi times 4 squared, 16. That gives us a surface area. Let's multiply 4 times 16. That makes us 64 pi. And again, let's leave pi as pi for right now. So 64 pi inches. And for surface area, remember we are squared. We are not cubed. So the surface area is 64 pi inches squared. Let's do one more. This time let's find the volume and the surface area of the same sphere. So the volume formula, do you remember? It's 4/3 pi r cubed. 4/3 times pi times your radius, 3 cubed. 4/3 pi, 3 times 3 times 3 is a 27. 27 and 3, 27 is divisible by 3. So let's cross that out, 9. 4 times pi times 9, that means my volume is 4 times 9, 36 pi feet. We are volume, we are inside 3 dimensions, feet cubed. That is volume. Let's find the surface area. Surface area formula, do you remember? It's 4 pi r squared. Surface area equals 4 times pi times 3 squared. Surface area equals 4 times pi times 9. Surface area equals 36 pi feet squared. Wow, when I started this, I did not know that they were going to be the same. That is not always true. The surface area and the volume are not necessarily the same. But in this example, they were exactly the same. The only difference is in the units, feet cubed or feet squared. How funny. All right, your turn. So in the Google form, I want you to find, for number 1, the volume of the sphere, and then I want you in number 2 to find the surface area. Because you can't type the symbol for pi like this, okay, please write pi in your answer as P-I, not P-I-E, P-I. Okay, good job. I will see you tomorrow. Good night.